Welcome back to Cooking with the Hills. It's holiday time and I wanted to hop on here with the special recipe and treat. So today on Cooking with the Hills, we'll be making the white chocolate peppermint cookies. You can make these with your family, cuddle up by the fire and watch a good Christmas movie. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe and enjoy your holiday. Stay tuned. Guys, first, like I always do, I'm going to start off with showing you all of our beautiful ingredients that we need to make this dish. So you're going to need butter, vanilla, white baking chips, candy cane pieces. You can crunch these up if you want to, or you can just buy the bag. These are like very hard to find right now, but if you find them, go ahead and grab you something to save you a little bit of work. We need baking soda, baking powder, we need salt, brown sugar, regular white sugar, and flour, if you guys can see that, and we're going to need an egg.
Alright, let's get these cookies baking, y'all. First thing first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. We're going to start off with 6 tablespoons softened butter. Need half a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of white sugar, and then half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda. Alright, so we're going to get everything in the bowl and whip it up on low for like 1 minute. Alright, start off with your 6 tablespoons of softened butter. Get your half a cup of your white sugar, already put it in the bowl. Half a cup of your brown sugar. A little more than half, but it'll be alright. Alright. Now we're going to get half a teaspoon of baking powder. Half a teaspoon of salt. Yeah, just pinch it out, y'all. Old school way. Alright. And of course, half a teaspoon of the baking soda. Alright.
Okay guys, we have that in our bowl. Now we're going to mix on low for about a minute until it's combined, and then we're going to go. Okay guys, so you know mine don't have a low speed, so we just gonna do what we gonna do. So
alright, y'all, we got everything combined. Now I'm gonna add the egg and a teaspoon of vanilla. Just 1 egg. Without any eggshells in there. Alright. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. A little more than a teaspoon. It's alright. Mix everything together.
okay guys, we have that all mixed together. Now we're going to add 1 1/4 of all-purpose flour. Dump it right in here. And onto the chocolate chips. It wants us to add our baking chips now. Another 1 1/4 of baking chips. Can you see that, guys? Yeah, this is a 2-cup bag. After I did my little measurement, it left like just a tad bit. So I'm just going to go ahead and dump the 2 cups. Hope that isn't a bad mistake, but we're here now. So let's just dump it in there and then mix it. Okay guys, so after all that mixing, this is what you have. A little cookie dough ball. Next, we're going to get our crushed candy canes, and you need a half a cup of crushed candy canes. Can you see me? Because I know I probably was out of frame, but you need a half a cup of crushed candy canes. And I'm going to just pour them on a paper plate. Sorry, y'all. I'm going to pour these on a paper plate because you're not going to actually put them in the cookie dough. You're going to do it a different way. And I'm going to let my husband take over because he was so eager and really wanted to do these cookies. So I'm going to let him have it. So yeah, you put them on a plate, spread them out a little bit. Oh, y'all, they look so good. Am I in frame, babe? Can you see it? Alright, come on, husband, take over.
Alright, y'all. Time to scoop these cookies out into little balls. Dip the top part of them and lay it on this bottom. Try to give me a ball out. Form it up. Alright, just the top part. Press down in it. Good. Like that. Alright. There you know. Top part of it. And on the side, on the bottom. Alright. Make sure they spaced out pretty good. You don't want them to be all stuck together.
Okay, guys, they should look something like this. Pop them in the oven for 10 to 11 minutes. We're going to cook these and we'll be right back to taste them for you all. Alright, y'all. So we managed to finish the cookies. We actually kept them in the oven a tad bit too long, but we're just going to taste them for you all and see how they are. They turned out like this. You ready? Cheers. Let's taste it. They're crunchy. I like it. The top made like a little glaze over the top of it. It's sweet as heck.
That's sweet. Not bad. Cooked a little too long than we want, but
Yeah.
it's good.
Wow. I think we cooked it too long, and we added more different things, little chocolate things than we needed, and it's extremely sweet.
Good.
It's good.
I like it.
Let me get down so you can see it. So what do you give it out of 10?
I give him a 10.
I'm about a...
Peppermint don't taste bad now.
It just tastes like something sweet. It ain't giving me the mint. You tasting minty?
Yeah, I got the mint taste.
It's just sweet as heck. So you can tweak the recipe as you wish. They're good. I'm gonna give it about an 8. You're gonna need some milk.
Yeah.
You're gonna definitely need some milk. So you and this milk. Okay. Thank you.
Well,
Thank
sweet.
you. video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you like these type of videos. Leave us a comment. Let us know if you'll try it. Okay, guys. Happy holidays. Bye.